Welcome back, guys. My name is Nishant Sharma. I'm a Microsoft certified professional for project development. So let's come to the second topic, scope and concept of a project and a web development project. It's the most important part to know about the scope, the different scopes regarding the different parameters, as well as the different concepts that we can implement in a project. So without wasting any time, let's move to the PowerPoint presentation. What are the different scopes and missions we have for the project development? Right. So first thing is all about scope planning. That it means all about we need to decide the scope and their planning. Like what are the different controllers? What are the different tools? What are the different definitions we are going to use for the defining our scope? Second, the scope definition. It simply says it include all the information and requirement regarding the development phase and the client approval. The third and the most important part is VBS, the creating the VBS. It means all about dividing your project into the sub projects or the sub modules. It means if your project is very big, like a Paytm, take an example of Paytm. Paytm is a big project, but still when I talk about the Paytm, it means all about one thing. Paytm is divided into the subcategories like flight module, movie ticket, and the other modules as well. Same, we have scope verification. It means we need to understand like the scope verification, like how our project must be verified from the stakeholder. It means the project client stakeholder. Scope control, it is very useful, like the scope control. Why? The reason is, first, like we decide the project scope whether 10 unit, somehow tomorrow the scope getting increased and the control is also getting increased. In that case our impact will be like that, our cost of project and the time to complete a project or our goal must increase with some fluctuations, right? So we'll come to the next step, like what are the several steps that is being involved for the scope management, right? The first thing is all about analyzing the project atmosphere, stakeholders, and center of influence. Align the project scope, organizations like their business challenges. This is the second part. We need to understand before developing any project, we need to understand what are the different challenges that a business is facing so that our project must help them to increase their business unit productivity. Third one, determining where to add the value to the business. It means our project must have some relevance to the business. Otherwise, it don't add any value to the project, right? The process and flow between the business unit. Like it means what? It means how the business circulate. According to that, our project must be developed. It doesn't mean like that. The project will be different and the business unit will be different. Develop an efficient communication strategy. It means static, or it means that some chat functionality must be there, some like SMS system is there. It means something that is the good communication between the business strategy and the project strategy. Develop the project approach. It means so that you can develop a good project approach so that it will must complete on given time period or with a given cost area. And the last and not, like it's too important to coordinate the new project with the other initiatives like already under the way, like the already some processes are going on, you must need to include that processes under your project area. So let's come to the VBS organization product. Like we are connected with the intranet, so we have different scopes like website designing. When we come to the website designing, the site map is most important, then site graphics, like how you design a graphic, the look and feel, and then finally the program part comes into the picture. Like homepage designing, when you create a homepage, you must need to understand the text is what are the different text you enter into the homepage, like your content area. Images must be in good quality, and hyperlinks for some references. When I come to the marketing page, it means again the same text, images, and hyperlink. It means even the sales page, when it comes to the sales page, it includes the same. But try to understand, in our website the most important part is sitemap, how you create a sitemap. Let's go to the next portal. Like the same, Level 0, when I enter to the project, it means when I enter to the my entire project is connected with the level 1, 2 and level 3. At the level 1 we need to understand the concept, as I told you right now, concept part, then website designing, then website development. We'll discuss all about in further videos how to develop and design and how to start with a scratch level website. Then the second level is all about requirement analysis, functionality and the basic web development. And the last one is defining user requirements, as the server connectivity defines server owner requirement, like connectivity part, that we'll also discuss in further videos. So we need to understand the our information technology upgrade the project. Like tomorrow we require some updates in our inventory. Tomorrow we require some update in our hardware changes. It means the entire project must be up to the level so that it will develop to the next level. It must have some scope to develop to the next level. So that's it for the scope management area. I don't think so further you need to describe all about, but you must keep in your mind, you must make the project into the way so that it must carry a good scope. Thanks for hearing this video. We'll meet on next video. Bye bye, take care.